Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with essentials. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and paired, and your health profile includes basic medical ID. Once done, open the Watch app, tap Health, then choose Set up ECG and follow the guided prompts to register your information. Do this now so the app can use your profile and permissions immediately. Make sure wrist selection and handedness are correct. These affect electrode orientation and data accuracy, which matters for reliable recordings. You're ready to record. Wear the watch snugly, with the sensor flat against skin and no lotions or moisture. Open the ECG app and confirm wrist selection. Sit and rest your forearm on a flat surface to minimize muscle noise. Then place a fingertip lightly on the digital crown and remain still. The app will count down 30 seconds and capture the electrical signal. This steady contact reduces artifact and ensures a clean waveform, which helps the algorithm classify rhythm more accurately. After the recording completes, review the rhythm classification and save the trace to Health. Add any symptoms you felt during the read. To share with your clinician, export the ECG as a PDF from the Health app and send it securely. If the watch fails to capture a waveform or shows poor signal, first check skin contact and cleanliness, update watch OS and iOS, restart devices, and repair the watch if necessary. This single troubleshooting step often resolves data drop and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.